Good afternoon. Well, it seems like I'm back finally. It's been a long while since I've filmed and edited and done a bunch of that stuff because, well, this past year's been kind of funky and everything. However, things are progressing and getting better, and hopefully soon will be much better. With that though, today I would like to introduce a new member to our family, since Scarlett is now at a new home, and an amazing home at that, which is an awesome story on its own. But today I'll introduce to you Journey. 2014 Sahara. She's pretty built. She's got Falcon shocks, the Alpine long arm kit. It's pretty much got the works. I don't really need to go into all the details and this and that and blah blah blah, because she's going to do her job and her mission that she will be doing with us and for us. And I feel really amazing about this Jeep, because she sure is a unicorn for us. Okay. This whole area might be a little bit different here soon, and that's the special thing. However, Friday, well, let me back it up. The reason why I am actually out here is because I need to check to make sure that my anti-rock system is working in a proper order. And before Friday, because Friday, the real important item will be arriving, and I'm super excited for it too. But that'll be another video, so stick around, check it out, whatever. Oh, and if you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe, comment. I'll answer whatever, because we're going to be going on some adventures when the weather starts getting a little bit better. But I want to throw the drone up and see if we can see the mountains. All right, let's go play. Well, we're done for the day. She did well. No major complaints. A couple little things I want to touch up on, but everything else seems pretty cool. She did well. Pretty proud. She got a little dirty. Not too bad, but I got some good filming in. A little bit of drone work too, so I'm happy. This is gonna be a good year. Later.